Once again to my channel. Now let's look at what we have here. We have to simplify the following. We have 4a power 3 multiplied by b multiplied by 3a b squared or raised to the power 2. So if I'm calling this out, this is the same thing as 4a cubed b times 3ab squared. And we also have 3 raised to the power of 4 divided by 3 raised to the power of what? 2. Now here's the solution to this problem. And for clarity's sake, I'll divide the bulb. Now what I have here for the first one is 4a cubed b times 3ab squared. Now this is how to solve this. Now we are going to use the laws of indices to solve this so that it will be very accurate for us. Now we have 4a cubed b times 3ab squared. Now if you have, for example, if you have a power 2 times a power 3, this is the same thing as a power 2 plus 3, which is equal to what? A power 5. Now let's get this very well. Anytime you see a common base, a are the base. They are the base. While 2 and 3 are the power, the index, or the exponent. So this is the same thing as a exponent 2 times a exponent 3. Now, if you observe, you see we have a common base. We have a, we have a. So since we have a and a, it means the base is what? Common, or they looks alike. So what you do is you pick one of the base. You pick one of the base and add the exponent. So if you're multiplying, once you're multiplying and the base is the same, you pick one of the base and add the exponent. So 2 plus 3 is what? 5. That's what I did here. Now we are going to use this idea to come here now. But in this way now, observe something with me. We have A here, we have A here, we have B here, we have B. So the common base here is what? A and B. 4 and 3 are different numbers, but they are multiplying. So first of all, let's work with the powers here. We have a power 3, or let me just work with the numbers and everything. We have 4 times 3 times a cube times a times b times b squared. That's everything that we have. 4 times 3 times a cubed times 4 times 3 a cubed times a b times b squared. Now 4 times 3 is equal to what? 12 times, by law of indices, remember here is power 1. Here also is power 1. Here is power 1. So if you have a and a alike, what you do is you add them. So this will be a power 3 plus 1 times b power what? 1 plus 2. So this will be equal to 12 times a power 3 plus 1 is 4 times b power 1 plus 2 will be 3. So this will give us 12 a power 4 b power 3. And that's the final solution to this. You get? Now let's come back to the second one that we have here. What we have here is 3 raised to the power of 4 divided by 3 raised to the power of 2. Now this is how you're going to solve this. Now this falls under multiplication law of indices, while this falls under division law of indices. Division law because we have a division sign. Now if you have, what we have is 3 power 4 divided by 3 raised to the power of 2. So if you have a raised to the power of b divided by a raised to the power of c, what do you observe? A is here, A is here, so we have a common base. Since we have a common base, you pick one of the base and subtract the exponents or subtract the power. That will give us b minus c. We are going to use this now to evaluate this. What we do here is we pick one of the base and subtract the exponent. So this will give us 3 raised to the power. 4 minus 2 is 2. So we know that what 3 raised to the power of 2 is equal to 3 times 3, which is equal to what? 9. So therefore, 3 raised to the power of 2 here is equal to 9. So the actual solution to this is equal to 9. If you find this video interesting, do not hesitate. Make sure you like this video, comment on this video, share this video, and don't forget subscribe to my channel. Bye.